subscribe to Alyssa and Dora channel. Unboxing time. Wait. It's my new dentist boo shop playdough set. This is bamboo pillow. Open it. Yeah. Open this. Wow. You make a set. Now put your last color. What is this color? It's my can I touch it? Touch it? Yeah. Wow. It's not even sticky. Here's it. Ooh, another one. Here, white. Wow, look at this one. Time to open now. Put it out. Wow, stuff in here. Wow. Look at that, Dora. Get all the Play-Doh out. Look at her mouth. Look at teeth inside after we make the teeth using these hooks. And put on these ears. I have an earpiece. This doesn't have an earpiece. She's a girl. I don't know. What should we call her? I don't know yet. I don't know. You want help? Huh? It's hard. It's hard. You think it's easy? It's hard. Huh? What? Can you do it? No? Oh, yes. Yes or no? Yes. I'm gonna help you. Let me see what inside this bag. Oh! You want to see what's inside? This bag. This is the mold for the teeth. Will she have no teeth? I have no teeth right here. 1, 2. How do I snap it on? Oh. Like that. I can snap it on now. There. Close her mouth. This is a screwdriver or something? Is it for her teeth? Or this is just for building, huh? I don't know. There's some weird tools. This is something, I don't know what that is, but I see some tweezers here. She now has no teeth. I think this is, you can make a tongue. A tongue shape. What is this, sir? Okay, this. Yeah. Let me see. You open this. Ooh, different teeth. Yeah, different teeth more. Okay. He don't have teeth. He don't have teeth, right? You wanna make teeth? Later? Right now? That. Is this white Play-Doh? Big. Let's show me one open. Okay. Let's show me one make tongue. It's not tongue. Ooh, let's see the instructions. We can actually make a tongue here. What else? Ooh, this shaped teeth. I don't know why they have this shaped teeth. It looks weird. What else is here? You can put the Play-Doh here and squish it. This is the color chart. I don't even know how the combinations are, so I need to better read those later. And I think there's nothing else. Let me get a little bit of Play-Doh here. That's enough, I think. I don't know, but I'm gonna get more. More is better. Let's make the ball now. You can squish it in now. The inside, yeah. Like do that. Yeah. Let me help you. That's correct. Now open her mouth. Open her mouth. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Don't touch it. Her tongue. Don't touch her tongue. Silly. Okay, that's enough. I don't know how her tongue is so small. Get her tongue. So funny. I'm gonna make the teeth now. What should we make first? I think this one. And this push it down. Let's see the teeth. Okay, how do we get this out? Ooh, her first teeth. Let's put it in. No. Let's make more teeth. I'm gonna make 100,000 teeth. Oh my gosh, her second teeth. Her second teeth ever. I got it out. Let me put it right here. Her second teeth ever has been put in. I can do one more. I'm gonna do here on the bottom. Some. Do some over there. Okay, I got it now. Right here. It doesn't need to be too big, but I can just push it down a little bit. Doesn't stick properly. This can be sharp because it needs to be sharp. My teeth is also sharp. Yeah. Here, sharpy sharp teeth. For now, I'm just gonna stick the big teeth on. Whoa. I'm just gonna let him close his mouth, huh? He or she's mouth? I'm gonna let that's according. The teeth is falling down without her tongue. What are you making?
What is this?
Castle.
Puzzle. Wow, that's pretty.
This is castle. Done! I can make my castle.
Okay.
Wow. Time to roll it. Ooh, this looks cool. Here we can look. Let's make more. I'm gonna make more. Gracious. Okay, this or that side? Don't even know. Don't even know. I told you. I'm not a teeth professional. Okay. The same. But she cannot close her mouth. So yeah. Her teeth is kind of stuck. I don't know why, but I can close my mouth, but she cannot. Time to do the teeth operation. Dr. Dora is here. Let's check them out. I see something right here. Do you guys see that? That's a black teeth. I need to get it out. You get it out. Oh, you got it. I got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. To do the big operation. You can take all my teeth. Let's do it. I got it. I got it. She's sleepy. She's sleepy. Put inside this container. You're trying to get that? Oh, get the braces off. Okay, let's oh, there's one almost in her ear. Oh, all the braces inside. We can get. Okay, now I can get this out. It's kind of full. You got the braces out? Okay, make sure to get the braces out. Okay. We got this one. I got it. I got everything. You look so funny. This will be very good. there's a little bit of brushes inside here. Don't mix the colors. Let's close our mouth. Wake up! Wake up! I have no teeth! Yeah, no teeth. I have teeth. Okay, that's the brush your teeth. Make sure to not eat too much candy. Or you can do this. No teeth. Let me get some toothpaste. Where's some pink toothpaste? Can you get some? That's perfect. Pink toothpaste. Get a lot of pink toothpaste, not a little bit of pink toothpaste. Now let's put it in. Get a lot of toothpaste. Squeeze it down. Squeeze. I'm gonna brush your teeth. You have no teeth, but I'm gonna just brush it. Make sure to brush it everywhere. I'm just gonna clean up the table. Here is pink teeth. If you use pink toothpaste, that you have pink teeth. You want to brush it more to get it pinker and get it to grow much? Do you want me to get it out, huh? Yeah, no. Yeah. Okay, I'm getting it out for you. You want to have white toothpaste? Yeah. Okay. Get all of the pink toothpaste out and put it in this container. This teeth container. Bye! Make sure to brush your teeth every day, or you can be like this. No teeth.